Hey guys, it's Electro Gaming, and you can see here it's me versus Furnace Gaming. So it looks like I'm winning by 3 subscribers. Let's see. It's 3 subscriber difference. Let's see if we can get anyone to subscribe in this video. Well, let's get to 30 subscribers and beat Furnace Gaming up. Oh, it just went up. It just went up. It just went up. Did you see that? I need a replay of that. That just went up. That just went up. I'm gonna reach 30 subscribers in no time. Get me to that 3-0. You better get me to that 3-0. It's me versus Furnace Gaming live. I'm at 25. I don't want to lose anything right now. So just keep on watching. No! It went down! Oh. Come on, this is so bad. I was just at 25. It's so bad. No! 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 This cannot be happening. No! No! What? How did I just get one? What? No way. This is not possible. We are just gaining and losing subs right now. I cannot believe it. How long is it going to take for one of us to get a subscriber again? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, yes! I went up again. Yes! Yes. Oh. Let's see if Ernest can catch up again. No! No! No, no! This is bad. This is super bad. He went down again. Yeah. No, he just went up again. What? He went up and down. Well, he just keeps on going down and up. I don't understand. Why? Why? What? I don't understand this. He keeps on going up and down. Is this somebody trying to prank me right now? I want Finish Gaming to go down to 21 subscribers at least at the end of this video, or me to go up to 26. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, he went down. Don't say he's gonna go up again. I think that's very good. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching and subscribe to get this sub count higher.